Today's session. Today we are going to talk about cPanel and how to use cPanel. So before further ado, let's dive into the demo directly. The domain name followed by /cPanel should be your login to your control panel or cPanel. In my case, I'm trying to use techproclicks.com. As I said, your domain name .com, .org, .net, or whatever domain name you have, /cPanel, and hit enter. You should always get your username from the hosting provider. It's what I have received. Putting my username and password. I'm trying to hit login. So as you can see, I'm successfully logged into cPanel. The first time when you log into the cPanel, it's important to see some of the information on the right corner. As you can see, I see the current user login, the primary domain name, the IP address, and I can see the server information. And here I can see the statistics for this cPanel account, the databases, the disk usage and how much disk I have, the bandwidth, and all other important informations right in the right section of your cPanel. The other important information is all the add-ons or services that is part of the cPanel. So you can see on the file section, one of the important ones that we regularly use is File Manager and FTP accounts. We also have on the database sections PHP, MySQL databases, and all other important ones. On the domain section, we do have the domain aliases, domains, add-ons, redirects, and subdomains. Also on the email section, the important one that we will use is the email account. Besides, there is a lot of other information and a lot of other softwares and add-ons on the cPanel. So give it a shot, and the last option is always to log out from cPanel.